Hi, I'm Kendra Wecker, Chief of the Ohio Division of Wildlife. Please join me at the EPN Breakfast Program at the Nationwide and Farm Bureau 4-H Center at The Ohio State University on November 19th, 2019. We're going to be discussing a variety of strategies to fund conservation in Ohio. I'll be joining Naomi Edelson with the National Wildlife Federation, and together we'll discuss the history of conservation funding in Ohio, as well as new strategies we're looking at to enhance funding for future generations.
Hi Ohio, I'm Naomi Edelson. I'm the Senior Director at National Wildlife Federation, and I'm really looking forward to coming to talk to you in November. I am going to come and talk about America's wildlife crisis and what you can do to help. I think, as you already know, we're in the middle of the 6th extinction with many reasons going on, and we have problems with wildlife here in America as well. We, the state wildlife agencies, I'm really thrilled to be joined today with Kendra Wecker, the Director of the Ohio Division of Wildlife, and the state wildlife agencies are on the front lines of conserving America's wildlife. We, though, need to help them do their job, and they have identified more than 12,000 species of greatest conservation need. And in order to meet those challenges, they need much more robust funding, they need more capacity, and they need more expertise. And I'm going to talk to you about 4 ways we can do that. 1 is to build a coalition. 2 is to elevate the wildlife crisis. 3 is to engage the state wildlife agency leadership. And 4 is to secure robust funding. I look forward to sharing more with you, and see you in November.
Hello, Ohio! We are very excited to hear what Chief Kendra Wecker and Ms. Naomi Edelson can share with us about the future of wildlife conservation in the United States and here in the state of Ohio. Following their talks, our guests, as well as facilitators from the Terrestrial Wildlife Ecology Lab here at Ohio State and the Ohio Division of Wildlife, will facilitate workshops to all breakfast program attendees that will run from 10 a.m. to noon on that same morning, November 19th. The purpose of this structured 2-hour dialogue is to learn from you, all residents of Ohio, whether you consider yourself to be active in the environmental and natural resources community, or if you don't identify in that way, about how we can increase participation in outdoor recreation. This includes what you think are barriers and opportunities for accessing and engaging with the outdoors and with wildlife, whether that's through hunting and fishing or birding, or through purchasing consumer goods like a duck stamp or a license plate. We're also interested to explore those strategies that don't exist yet. This is a space for us to discuss and to have dialogue about how we fund and what is the future of wildlife conservation here in Ohio. So please consider joining this additional dialogue. Following this conversation at noon, we'll have a catered lunch, as well as a cooking demonstration from the Ohio Division of Wildlife's Wild Ohio mobile cooking station. And if I have the menu correct, there will be some on-hand samples of walleye and perch in the form of tacos. So consider Tuesday at the EPN Fish Taco Tuesday. All of these activities will include by 1 p.m. that day. You will find through our registration page there are a few different options for registration. We encourage you to visit that to explore how you can select the options that best work for you. As always, our programs are free for students, whether at Ohio State or from other colleges and universities from across Ohio. All students are welcome at no charge. So please consider signing up for both the breakfast and the workshop/lunch portions of the program, and join us as we explore the future of wildlife conservation. Thank you all very much.